In this video we're going to check out and explore some basic text tags. The first one is the strong tag. Now this tag just makes the text bold, but the difference between the bold tag, like this one for example, and the strong tag is that the bold tag is more for the styling, but the strong tag is for emphasis. And just like the strong tag, we have the EM or the emphasis tag. There's not really much difference between the two. So I have this emphasis tag here. So if I refresh, then we have the two, but the difference is, of course, as you can see, that the strong tag makes this look strong. Okay, so it makes it look bold, but the emphasis tag uses italics to emphasize the importance. Okay, so this is just those two tags. Then we have the italics simply, and this just simply makes it italic, just for styling. Then we get the insert tag, and this tag has a underline, and it's called insert. Is the reason it's called the insert tag is because it will show you text that has been inserted into the document that wasn't there previously. So you know, in Microsoft Word, for example, there's a feature called track changes. So when you track changes from different users, you can see when you collaborate and you at the end check using the balloons who made changes, then you will see some, like Microsoft Word will show you text that was deleted as a dot, you know, like strike through or a dotted line, but text that was inserted would be also shown but in blue. So this is also the same thing, but it's in HTML. Now then we have the bold tag, which I already showed you, so there's no reason to see that. Now we have the small tag. So this just will make the text smaller in size. Okay, now if I compare this to the paragraph tag, for example, you see that this is large. The smaller text is a bit smaller in font size, and of course you can change the font size, you don't need to use small, but this will tell the browser and you know that this text is small, which is also helpful when you're doing search engine optimization. After that we have the SUP tag. Okay, this is to, you know, whatever you nest between the SUP tag is considered a superscript. So we have, for example, H2O. So this is a superscript. Of course this is not a very good example because this should be a subscript. So just like you can use a superscript, you can use a subscript, but it would be SUB. So here I'm just going to change this to 4 squared is equal to 16. Now you can see 4 squared is equal to 16, and we have the, I'm just going to put the BR to break the line. So CO2, and the 2 is a subscript and the other one is a superscript. So then we have the mark tag. Now the mark tag just highlights the text on the page. So if I put this, for example, I'm just going to put some text behind this world. So you can see that the text that is contained within the mark tags is highlighted. Okay, this is just also for emphasis, like the strong or the EM tags, but it's more pertaining to the visuals. Okay, the style. Then we have the abbreviation tag. Now what this does is that, let me just remove this. Okay, so this is the syntax, and you will have, just do it again. We have WHO, which is an abbreviation, but sometimes you want to hover over the abbreviation to see what it means. In that case, you can use the title attribute and you can write the abbreviation full out here. So once we do that, you can see that there's a dotted line that appears on it, and it says World Health Organization once we hover over the text. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so World Health Organization, and you can see the dotted line under it. And this title tag is not only on applicable on this tag, you can use it with any tag.